Why your cat chooses specific sleep spots, decoding their comfort zones. Ever noticed how your cat always sleeps in the same exact spot? One day it's the laundry basket, the next it's the foot of your bed, and sometimes right on your chest. It might look random, even a little strange, but trust me, it's not. Every sleep spot your cat chooses is a quiet message about comfort, safety, and trust. Today, we're decoding the hidden meaning behind your cat's favorite nap locations and what they reveal about how your cat feels in your home. 1. The laundry basket. Comfort meets familiarity. Let's start with a classic, the laundry basket. Cats are deeply comforted by familiar smells, especially yours. Dirty clothes carry your scent more strongly than clean ones, and for your cat, that smell equals safety. The basket is also warm, soft, and enclosed, a perfect combination. When your cat sleeps there, it's a sign they feel secure and emotionally connected to you. In short, your scent equals their comfort zone. 2. The sunbeam sleeper, nature's heating pad. Ever seen your cat stretched out in a beam of sunlight like they're charging solar power? Cats naturally seek warmth because it helps them conserve energy. Sunlit spots provide gentle heat without effort, pure luxury in cat terms. But there's more. Sunbeams often land in quiet, low-traffic areas. That means warmth and peace. If your cat chooses these spots, it usually means they feel relaxed and unthreatened in their environment. 3. The tiny box or tight space, safety first. From shoe boxes to drawers, cats love squeezing into impossibly small spaces. Why? Because tight spaces provide protection. In the wild, enclosed areas mean fewer threats from behind or above. When your cat curls into a small space, they're instinctively choosing security. This doesn't mean they're anxious, it means they're smart. Cats like to sleep where they can fully relax without staying alert. 4. Sleeping on you, the ultimate trust signal. Now let's talk about the most heart-melting spot of all, you. If your cat sleeps on your chest, stomach, or head, it's a huge compliment. You're warm, you're familiar, and most importantly, you're trusted. Cats are most vulnerable when they sleep. Choosing your body means your cat sees you as a protector, not a threat. This is feline love at its quietest and deepest level. 5. The foot of the bed. Comfort with control. Some cats prefer the foot of the bed rather than right next to your face. This spot offers closeness without full vulnerability. They can enjoy your presence while keeping an easy escape route. It often means your cat is bonded to you, but also values personal space. Very on brand for cats. So next time your cat curls up in a strange spot, don't laugh it off. They're telling you something about warmth, safety, trust, and belonging. Understanding these sleep choices helps you understand your cat on a deeper level. And the more you understand them, the stronger your bond becomes. Because with cats, love is rarely loud. It's quiet, curled up, and fast asleep.